Hello, little learners. How are you all? I hope everyone is well and fine and happy at your places. This is Dishita ma'am, and I welcome you all to your video lessons of English. So, dear kids, today we will be learning a new chapter, new unit number 10. But before we start, I would like to tell you one story, and the story is like this. Arjun was a very little boy. He was very lazy and always used to postpone things. अर्जुन एक छोटा बच्चा था जो बहुत ही लेजी था. वो हमेशा चीज़ों को टालता रहता, कभी भी टाइम पे अपना काम ख़त्म नहीं करता. Now, one day his father called him and made him understand the value of time, that one should always do things on time. Arjun promised his father that he would never postpone things. Now, one day, he came to know that he had won the first prize in the singing competition that was held the previous month. He was very happy and he was asked to collect the prize on the same day. But he did not care and went to collect the prize the next day. Do you know what happened then? But the prize became useless for him. वो प्राइज उसके कुछ काम नहीं आया. Why? Because it was a ticket to circus show which was held the previous day. इसका मतलब है जिस दिन उसको टिकट लेने जाना था वो उस दिन गया नहीं, वो उसके नेक्स्ट डे गया. और उसका प्राइस क्या था? सर्कस शो की टिकट्स, जो अब वेस्ट हो गई क्योंकि सर्कस तो प्रीवियस डे था. So what do we learn from the small story? And what does Arjun learn from the story? That time is valuable. You should always do things on time. Now, guess which chapter today we are going to learn? Yes, we will be learning Time Flies. So, open unit number 10, chapter number 10. And let's get going. Unit 10, page number 123. Time flies. Little learners, do you ever work how time seems to fly? We cannot stop time, but we can measure it with the help of a clock. We all have clocks at our home. Can you imagine a single day without checking the time? क्या हम टाइम देखे बिना रह सकते हैं? No, we cannot, because all our works goes time by time. So, little learners, in this unit we will be learning phonic AI and AY words. Grammar, we will be learning the concept of was and were. In reading, we will be learning the clock trial. Vocabs, we will be learning suffix. And in writing, we will be learning picture description. Poetry, we will learn time. Clock trial. The very first activity is getting started activity. What are the things you do before you come to school? Write them down on the timeline below. Show the time at which you do each action by drawing the hands of the clock. आपको क्या करना है, जैसे फर्स्ट में दिया है 7 o'clock, 7 AM। सो 7 में क्लॉक के हैंड्स बने हुए हैं, दोनों शॉर्ट हैंड एंड लॉन्ग हैंड। नाउ टेल मी, शॉर्ट हैंड shows us what? Yes, very good. Short hand shows us hours and long hand shows us minutes. Very good. Now आपको बिल्कुल ये एग्जाम्पल फॉलो करते हुए सेकेंड क्लॉक में आप क्या करते हो स्कूल आने के पहले। लाइक मैंने 8 में बनाए हैं हैंड्स आपके एग्जाम्पल्स के लिए। तो 7 के बाद 8, तो 8 आई डू माई ब्रेकफास्ट, और यहाँ पे 8:30 आई गोज टू बस स्टॉप एंड 9 आई रीच टू स्कूल। बस बिल्कुल इसी तरह आपको ये एक्टिविटी करनी है। सो दिस वन इज योर होमवर्क। नाउ प्लीज टर्न द पेज, कम टू पेज नंबर 124. Now it's time to do listening activity of page number 124. Have you ever thought what people used to write with before pen were made? क्या आपको पता है लोग किस चीज़ से लिखते थे जब पेन इन्वेंट नहीं हुई थी तब? Listen to the passage and complete the following timeline. सी, इट्स अ लिसनिंग एक्टिविटी, तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से सुनना है एंड देन आपको बॉक्सेस को फिल करते जाना है। द फर्स्ट एवर पेन वर द फेदर्स ऑफ लार्ज बर्ड्स। सबसे पहली पेन थी फेदर्स ऑफ लार्ज बर्ड। सो फर्स्ट बॉक्स में क्या लिखेंगे हम? Feathers. Very good. Then came the metal nib pens. Yes, in second box we will write metal nib pens. Then fountain pens were made. So in third box they had written fountain pen. Then the ball pens were invented. Then the ball pen was invented in 1888. Then came the flat pen from Japan. फिफ्थ बॉक्स में हम क्या लिखेंगे? फेल्ट पेन, FELT, felt pen, flat pens। फोर्थ बॉक्स में हमने क्या लिखा? बॉल पॉइंट पेन्स। See, now the sixth one. Felt pens was followed by the roller ball pens. So the sixth is roller ball pens. Now we have rubber grip pens and other pens with feather with features such as camera, lights, etc. Feather pen was the first one. Metal nib pen was the second one. Fountain pen was the third one. Ball pointed pen is then next, and after that felt pen, and then now we are using roller ball pens. Now we have rubber grip pens and other pens with features such as camera, lights, and etc. Now little learners, come to the phonic fun. Let's start the phonic fun with the digraph AI and AY words. AI and AY make the long A sound. It makes the long A sounds. Long A sound word comes in words like may and say. When the sound is in the middle of a word, we say A. When the sound is at the last of the word, at the end of the word, we used to say A. Alright, now let's see the words and read them aloud so that we can understood and grasp this thing more easily. Alright, so see here, complete the words with A, read aloud. Rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Sail, S-A-I-L, sail. Tail, T-A-I-L, tail. A-I-M, aim. Train, T-R-A-I-N, train. L-A-I-D, laid. M-A-I-N, main. A-G-A-I-N, again. P-A-I-N, pain. F-A-I-L, fail. M-A-I-D, made. H-A-I-L, hail. M-A-I-L, mail. And W-A-I-T, wait. Now come to the next. Complete the words with A-Y and read aloud. Say, S-A-Y, say. Then relay, R-E-L-A-Y, relay. M-A-Y, may. Runway, R-U-N-W-A-Y, runway. C-L-A-Y, clay. R-A-Y, ray. P-R-A-Y, pray. D-A-Y, day. H-A-Y, hay. And then holiday, H-O-L-I-D-A-Y, holiday. P-A-Y, pay. T-O-D-A-Y, today. B-A-Y, bay. And then yesterday, Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y, yesterday. Let us try to read all the words one more time. Rain, read with me. Rain. Sail. Tail. Aim. Train. Laid. Main. Again. Pain. Fail. Made. Hail. Mail. Wait. Say. Relay. May. Runway. Clay. Ray. Pray. Day. Hay. Holiday. Pay. today, bay, yesterday. Very good, little learners. Now come to page number 126. Color the following picture as instructed. This exercise is your homework. What you have to do is, instructions are given to us, and on the basis of this instructions we have to fill in the blank, we have to color this picture. See, we have to color AI with blue crayon, like pain, train, sail, again, mate, mail. तो ये सारे वर्ड्स जिसमें भी AI आता है वहाँ पे हमें ब्लू क्रेयॉन से कलर करना है. ओके, एंड देन ब्राउन क्रेयॉन से हमें AY वाले वर्ड्स को कलर करना है, लाइक से, प्रे. ये सारे वर्ड्स को हमें ब्राउन कलर्स से कलर करना है. एंड द अदर वर्ड्स वी नीड टू कलर इट विथ ग्रीन कलर. बाकी जितने भी वर्ड्स बच जाते हैं उन्हें हमें ग्रीन क्रेयॉन कलर से कलर करना है. तो AI वाले वर्ड्स को कौन से कलर से करना है? ब्लू कलर से. AY वाले वर्ड्स को कौन से कलर से करना है? ब्राउन कलर से. एंड जो भी रिमेनिंग है उसको ग्रीन कलर से. So little learners, if you face any difficulty while doing this exercise, you can ask me. So that's all for today. See you all tomorrow with the new topic, language ladder, was and were. And I hope that you all enjoyed today's session. And bye. Take care and thank you.